Okay, answers to the oxidation of alcohols questions. First one, write a balanced half equation for the reaction of butanol to butanal. Now, once I start talking half equations, you should know that means a redox half equation. And you just follow your basic redox steps. So, I'm going to write the molecular formulas of butanol and butanal. Butanol C4H10O is going to react to form butanal. Now what's the molecular formula of butanal? Well, if in doubt, draw it out. So we see C4H8O. Now we just need to balance it in redox terms. What have we got? We've got same number of carbons, so that's good. Same number of oxygens, that's good. We need a couple of hydrogens on this side, so we add H pluses, and then to balance the charges, we need some electrons. So nice and simple. What have we got? We have got an aqueous reaction system here, of course, because it's the standard redox conditions, so that's what we're going to end up with. And I'm sure it's going to look a whole lot clearer when I flick the answer there. Name a suitable reagent and catalyst. So you've got two reagents, potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate. Now you can leave off the potassiums if you like, just permanganate and dichromate if you prefer. This is an aqueous sulfuric acid or just straight acid catalyst. So this particular reaction, it's aqueous. Because you've got water there to balance the redox equation, you need water for the oxidation reaction to occur. Now, the last question on this set, we have 4-carbon alcohol reacts so we attempt to oxidize. We reacted with potassium dichromate, that means we're oxidizing it, and we know that depending on where the OH group is, either it won't react at all if it's a tertiary alcohol, it will produce a ketone if it's a secondary alcohol, it will produce an aldehyde or a carboxylic acid if it's a primary alcohol. So in this case, butanone is a ketone, so that means it must be a secondary alcohol. So let's just draw butanone. Don't really need to know much about ketones to draw that. So I'm going to draw butanone. 4 carbons. We know it's got a carbon double bond oxygen in the middle of the chain. So that's going to be butanone. Now, if that's butanone, that's also where the alcohol must have been before it reacted. So butanol the alcohol must have been 2-butanol. There's another bond up here. So that's going to be 2-butanol, that's going to be the reactant in that case. So secondary alcohols react to produce ketones, is what's happened here. And we'll get some negatives.